Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by gold developer Spartan Resources. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Spartan Resources, Simon Lawson. Hi, Simon.
Hi, Matt.
So Spartan Resources is a classic turnaround story. A year ago, its share price was about 22 cents and it is now closer to $1.22. The company was originally Gascoyne Resources, who fell into admin after experiencing spotty grades at its Gilbey's open pit at the Dalgaranga project in WA's Murchison. The company subsequently merged with Firefly Resources, and that merger came with a new mine plan, new management, and a spectacular new discovery was subsequently made just 150 metres from the old Gilbey's open pit, and Spartan is now worth about $1.4 billion. Okay, Simon, give me the very quick potted history and dot points of this Dalgaranga project.
We're located in the Midwest Murchison region, just outside of Mount Magnet, which obviously is very well known for high-grade gold, and our focus is high-grade gold, and that's what we essentially did, was focus on finding the best grades in that area, and Dalgaranga has been delivering.
You've just released an updated mineral resource for the project. What is it and how much has it grown?
Obviously, we were pretty excited to put out 2.48 million ounces at 4.79 grams a tonne, which is almost double what we'd previously put out in December, only in the 2023 there. That was a 47% increase in project ounces and a 91% increase in grade, and that just is a reflection of that high-grade focus.
The Never Never discovery, right next to the old Gilbey's open pit, I think only about 150 metres away, has turbocharged this project. What's the resource at Never Never? How far away is the main body of it from the old pit, and how do you plan to mine it?
It's about 300 metres away north of the old Gilbey's open pit. We're putting in an exploration drill drive going down to that area, which is going to be about 700 metres long, but that resource now stands at 5.7 million tonnes at 8 grams a tonne, just over 1.4 million ounces of high grade.
What are some of the best drill results at this project? I've seen some pretty big numbers come out of it.
Yeah, that's right. So early, sort of midway through November 22, we knew we were onto something pretty special. 59 metres at 12.5 grams a tonne, 54 metres at 6.5 grams a tonne, 32 metres at 8.6. I mean, these numbers are pretty significant in any gold project, but we've been consistently delivering those kinds of outputs and outcomes from our drilling program since that time period, early 22.
Now, this project has a mothballed mining plant on it. What would it cost you to build that thing again from scratch, and how much do you need to spend on it?
Look, those are good questions. It's a 2.5 million tonne per annum plant. It was operating up until the end of 2022 when I shut it off. I knew we had a great discovery and I just didn't want to lose control of that. And what we've done is basically rebuilt our story around that plant. So we're looking now at the best way to run that plant, optimise that plant and bring it back into operation in the best way possible to achieve maximum recovery. Now, in terms of how much that will cost, that is a rubbery number at this stage, and we're doing a number of studies to come to a conclusion on that.
Well, I know you had $93 million in the bank at last report, so well done to you, Simon Lawson from Spartan Resources. Thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears, and remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.